Okay, I just got a call from one of my clients that the admin dashboard is not loading the way it is supposed to load. So I was thinking on how to fix it. So I finally came up with a solution, and I feel like sharing it with others in case you encounter such problem as you work with WordPress. So let's get started. Okay, this is an example of such problem. You just logged into your WordPress dashboard, and in the admin area, you are seeing something like this. So the first thing that came to my mind immediately I saw this, okay, was that because I've been writing code, so the next thing was, okay, if all the contents are loading, so definitely that means something is wrong somewhere. So it means the styling is where the problem is existing from. So how do we fix that? That's the main thing. So to be able to fix this, what you're just supposed to do is go to now WordPress.org. Then okay, on the home page, so you come to the website just as if you'll be downloading a new WordPress. So just click on Get WordPress, and okay, just wait for that to load. Then come and click download. All right, I already have the download on my PC, so I'm just going to go to the folder where this was downloaded to do the next thing. So just follow along. All right, this is where I have my download. So the next thing you're just going to do is you unzip. You can extract to a folder. Just wait for that to extract. Okay, I have everything extracted. So in this whole folder, the only thing you need is just the WP admin. Why? That is where we have our problem happening from. Is under the admin. So don't bother opening the folder or checking out anything. Don't worry, it's not going to affect your initial website settings. Don't worry, it's just going to fix what is happening in the admin area. It's not going to uninstall your plugin. It's not going to affect any of your themes. Nothing is going to happen to what you had previously. So it's just going to fix the problem, and that's all. So what you're supposed to do is just right click and zip. You can add to archive. Just zip the folder. Right, just have it as the WP admin. So just zip it. All right, I have that already. So the next thing is I'm going to go to my cPanel. I'm going to go to my cPanel. So this is my cPanel area. Okay, my hosting plan is Q servers, and I enjoy using it because Q server. All right, this is not a promoted content, but it makes my work faster. When I host my website on it loads better. So that's why I can recommend it, especially for those in Nigeria. It works fine, and it's cheap, it's affordable. Okay, now in your file manager on your cPanel, just come to your WP admin. This is what we're going to be replacing. So just right click on it and rename it. Rename the folder. Just put anything. Let me put AAA, or probably let me put my name behind it. So don't worry, my name may look strange, but don't bother. It's not strange. It's in the Bible. The name is Meshach. All right, so the reason for renaming it is so that as we upload the next at the WP admin and we unzip it, it's not going to affect what was there previously. So that's it. So let's go and upload our file, the zip file. All right, so I'm just going to come to my folder, the WordPress folder where I have my zip file, and upload. Okay, now we see that it's uploaded, and I can now go back to the home page, the public HTML folder where I have my WordPress installed. All right, now, okay, this is it. You can see the WP admin.zip. So that's our website, the admin folder rather. So I can come now and extract. Click on extract. So it's going to ask for where we'll be extracting it. Just let it be the same folder where you have everything, the public HTML folder. So extract. All right, so I have everything extracted. So I have a new WP admin now. So as you can see, this is the previous one. I already put my name behind it. Had it been, I didn't rename this, so they're going to be conflicting with each other because they have the same folder name. So I think we are almost done. It's just to come back, then refresh our website, the admin page. You can see our admin dashboard is back. It's back. So guys, that's the solution. It's as simple as that. So feel free to fix the problem using the solution whenever you encounter such. So thank you. I think that will be the end for today till I release some other WordPress fix that can help you in your